everyone. My name is John Oscar J. Metran.
My name is Justin Kyle A. Tawan.
My name is Joel M. Nalida.
My name is Gina Alteo C. Cabrera.
In this day, we're going to podcast about the importance of the peer counseling. Academic performance of the senior high school influenced by various factors including the motivation, emotional, well-being, and social support. Many students face challenges such as stress, low self-confidence, and difficulty managing their studies. Peer counseling, where trained students provide guidance and support. Emotional support to their peers plays significant role in helping students overcome these difficulties studies. Let's hear the opinion of Kyle Tama.
My opinion is many senior school students experience academic pressure, stress, and anxiety, which can negatively affect their concentration performance. Peer counseling helps students manage their emotions by offering the safe space to talk about their challenges.
Let's hear naman ang opinion ni Joel Navida.
One of the main reasons of poor academic performance is ineffective study habits and poor time management. Counseling helps students develop better study routines, prioritize tasks, and adapt productive learning techniques.
Let's hear naman ang opinion ni Gian Cabrera.
This is my opinion. Some students struggle with self-doubt, making it difficult for them to participate in class, ask questions, or seek help from teachers. Peer counseling helps boost self-esteem by providing encouragement and guidance, where students feel more confident. They become more engaged in their studies and are more likely to perform well academically.
Okay, thank you for listening. Good day, everyone. Thank you. Everyone, thank you. Alright, bye.